In a busy marketplace of ancient Rome, a young man named Lucius was often mocked by merchants for his modest clothes and quiet nature. They called him weak, laughed at his silence, and tried to provoke him into anger. One day, tired of being disrespected, Lucius visited his teacher, who followed Stoic philosophy. The teacher said, "Disrespect is not in the words of others, but in how you choose to receive them." From that day on, Lucius practiced 10 Stoic lessons. First, he remembered Marcus Aurelius' wisdom. People act out of ignorance, not malice, so forgive them. Second, he learned to stay calm, for anger only fuels the disrespect. Third, he kept his dignity by not lowering himself to petty insults. Fourth, he trained his mind to focus only on what he could control, his reaction. Fifth, he responded with silence, which made his enemies powerless. Sixth, he practiced humility, knowing his worth was not in the opinion of others. Seventh, he chose to walk away when mockery turned into noise, proving his strength lay in self-control. Eighth, he reflected daily on his behavior to ensure his soul remained unshaken. Ninth, he replaced bitterness with wisdom, turning insults into lessons of patience. And 10th, he remembered that true respect comes from living with virtue, not from begging others to grant it. Over time, the same merchants who once disrespected Lucius grew silent. They could no longer control him, for his calm presence made them uneasy. Soon, they began to respect him, not because he demanded it, but because he showed that no insult could touch a man who mastered himself. The lesson is clear. Disrespect loses its power when you live by Stoic principles, for the strongest shield against rudeness is a disciplined, unshakable mind.